I've got awesome bee swarm that I just spotted. Right here, these guys are probably really docile. Be excited, first swarm of the year. Just gonna suit up just in case they are not super docile. Like whatever other lovely hive that I have that is a little bit Africanized. We've got our bee box here. Hopefully gonna fill it with those guys in just a couple minutes. Alright, fun stuff begin. Check out the drone bee right there, that bigger guy. Big eyes. See him doing a little bee dance, trying to tell this is the place we should go to, this is the place we should go to. This is going to be really quick, hopefully just a couple second jerk. Beautiful, beautiful creature. So hopefully there's a queen bee in there somewhere. Hurt her at all when we're doing this. Time to catch a swan. Bring it out. Let's do the big one. Once we have most of the bees in the box, they'll start to signal all their buddies, and hopefully they will all fly in, and I will catch another bee swarm. Boom, not a ton left. I left the top open here. And hopefully in a couple minutes, you'll be able to see them start signaling to each other. This is where we need to go, this is where we need to go. Hopefully. Oh, that guy's already doing it right there. Starting to fan the air, release pheromones, and try to attract the other bees into their new home. So, keep our fingers crossed. We're gonna disturb these guys, so hopefully they move. Pretty crazy sight. Most of the time when bees swarm, they're too full on honey to sting, and they're not super aggressive. These guys are a little angry. It'd be kind of like if we were gonna hike halfway across the country, so we decided to eat like 40 pounds of meat before we did it. We'd be pretty docile. So just trying to get them all to go in there. These guys are doing a good job. Spread the pheromones. The biggest thing is, if I got the queen in there, we're good. Kind of a crapshoot though. There's a big drone, you can see that big guy there. A lot of people mistake those for queen bees. Not a bad place to be a bee, though. Come on. May have just seen the queen go in there. We're just gonna let these guys be for a little while. Hopefully they can figure it out. Signaling to the other bees, this is where to go, this is where to go. So they have little pheromone glands on their butts. They kind of plant themselves and then fan it into the air. Bees have a sense of smell that's about 10,000 times greater than a dog, which is insane. If you think about it, they live in total darkness most of the time, and they do everything by scent and feel. So they can tell bees from their own hive from bees from different hives just by their smell. That's why I put deodorant on before I work with them, otherwise they get all pissed off. Not really. But you can see some of the pollen on their legs too.